Google Merchant Center is a platform provided by Google that allows businesses to upload their product data and showcase their products on various Google platforms such as Google Search, Google Shopping, and Google Images. There are several reasons why businesses should use Google Merchant Center. Increased visibility. By listing your products on Google Merchant Center, you increase the visibility of your products on Google platforms. This can help drive more traffic to your website and increase sales. Better targeting. Google Merchant Center allows you to target your products to specific audiences based on their search queries and other factors. This can help you reach your target audience more effectively and increase the chances of converting them into customers. Better data. Google Merchant Center provides detailed data and insights on how your products are performing. This can help you optimize your listings and improve your overall sales and marketing strategy. Free and easy to use. Google Merchant Center is free to use and easy to set up. All you need to do is create an account, upload your product data, and start showcasing your products on Google platforms. Overall, Google Merchant Center is a valuable tool for businesses looking to increase their online presence and drive more sales through Google platforms. Our agency's skilled team members are always waiting to provide you with the following services. 1. Shopify store design. 2. New GMC Create. 3. Suspension issue. 4. Misrepresentation. 5. Website need improvement issue. 6. GTN/MPN/SSN Problem Solve. 7. Fix your AdWords. 8. All kinds of products issues. 9. Product description. If you need any service, please contact below WhatsApp number +880 178 295 3580 or Gmail, faradmatubber94@gmail.com.